Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 70 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we're making a version of a Black Manhattan. We're going to explore a cocktail that lives up to its name, the Velvet Root. This is a rich and spirit-forward drink that balances deep and earthy notes with a touch of nostalgic America. I can't wait to share it with you. Now for our base spirit tonight, I've chosen the Knob Creek Single Barrel, which is a 120 proof. It has the muscle to stand up to our modifiers tonight, but its age is going to give us some leathery notes as well as some deep, dark, burnt sugars that will give us this refined velvet texture as in the name of this cocktail. We will use 2 full ounces of the Knob Creek. We'll place that right into our mixing glass. We have an earthy note and an herbal note tonight. Black Manhattans will have your Amaros in them, and we are going with the Averna Amaro tonight. It's going to bring that classic Sicilian silkiness with hints of chocolate and citrus. For this, we will use 3/4 of an ounce. That'll give us some lovely red notes to this as well. And then for our other note, our really fun kind of Americana note tonight, we're using the Rebel Root Beer Whiskey. This is going to give us the distinct root beer vibes that we're looking for in this cocktail. It's going to have a little bit of birch, anise, and it's going to play very well with the bourbon char. We will use a 1/2 ounce of the root beer whiskey. Our bitters tonight are going to tie this all together. We're using 2 different ones, and first we will use the Molasses bitters. These will bring a dark sugar backbone as well as a savory note. We're going to use 3 generous dashes. And finally, we will use orange bitters as our brightening citrus note to complement the Amaro. Only 1 dash needed. Those are our ingredients. I will now add ice, stir for about 25 to 30 seconds, and then rejoin you. That is now nicely chilled. And we will strain this into a chilled coupe glass that I've kept in the freezer while I was preparing everything. It's got that root kind of look going on here, which is perfect for what we're doing. And we will place 1 Luxardo cherry because a Black Manhattan needs a cherry at the bottom. The aromas, it's got a dark sweetness as well as some spiciness coming forward. I'm smelling that root beer, believe it or not. Cheers to the Velvet Root. Wow, that is silky, great mouthfeel. It has this darkness to it. It's chocolatey and leather, charred oak, and of course the sarsaparilla from the root beer is coming forward in an amazing way. It's got this kind of earthy licorice note to it. Then on the finish, it's really notes of burnt sugar and black pepper just popping ever so lightly. It is quite the journey. I'm enjoying it greatly, and I hope you will too. Now join us next week as our pre-Memorial Day cocktail. We're doing a Boulevardier to honor Memorial Day. It's called the Honor Guard. Tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a most fabulous Thirsty Thursday, and I do hope you will stir up the Velvet Root tonight for yourself. Cheers.